Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The great wizards who were able to assume any form were engaged by the king of Bhoja, Kṛṣṇa, to kill Kṛṣṇa, but in the course of his pastimes the Lord killed them as easily as a child breaks dolls. The atheist Kṛṣṇa wanted to kill Kṛṣṇa just after his birth. He failed to do so, but later on he got information that Kṛṣṇa was living in Vrindavan at the house of Nand Maharaj. He therefore engaged many wizards who could perform wonderful acts and assume any form they liked. All of them appeared before the child Lord in various forms, like Aga, Baka, Putna, Shakata, Trinavat, Denuka, and Gardaba, and they tried to kill the Lord at every opportunity. But one after another, all of them were killed by the Lord, as if he were only playing with dolls. Children play with toy lions, elephants, boars, and many similar dolls, which are broken by the children in the course of their playing with them. Before the Almighty Lord, any powerful living being is just like a toy lion in the hands of a playing child. No one can excel God in any capacity, and therefore no one can be equal to or greater than him, nor can anyone attain the stage of equality with God by any kind of endeavor. Gyan, yoga, and bhakti are three recognized processes of spiritual realization. The perfection of such processes can lead one to the desired goal of life in spiritual value, but that does not mean that one can attain a perfection equal to the Lord's by such endeavors. The Lord is the Lord at every stage. When he was playing just like a child on the lap of his mother Yashodamai, or just like a cowherd boy with his transcendental friends, he continued to remain God, without the slightest diminution of his 6 opulences. Thus he is always unrivaled.